that we have an active voice, we use the word that when we convert it. Okay, this is one sentence. Now I'll give you another one, which you'll also write it down. You can put today's date, by the way. I'm very particular about the date. Um, yeah, it's also an active voice. Mm, Sunday is a favorite day. Right? Sunday is a favorite day for cooking tasty food for Kavya.
Sunday
Is a favorite day for cooking tasty food for Kavya.
favorite day for cooking.
Tasty food for Kavya.
Tasty food for ah, yeah.
Convert it to passive voice.
Mm, let's see. Mm, where should I use that here?
Now, here that does not come in. That's why I said in
Yeah.
most sentences it comes in, not in all. So try your whatever's your answer. Let's hear.